Om Vinayashilaya Namaha.
Humor, at the same time, humility. No arrogance whatsoever. He was so famous, so well known, such a great personality, but no arrogance whatsoever. Embodiment of humility. Vinaya Shila. That too, he had so much of reverence for Mahatmas, great Mahatmas, like Swami Gangeshwarananda. He was more than 100 years old. Blind Swami, blind saint, Gangeshwarananda. For him, his Medha Shakti was unbelievable. All the scriptures in his memory. Because he can't read and all. Everything in his memory. And he had so much, Gurudev had so much of reverence to him. And when Gangeshwarananda came to Sandipani ashram, he told the brahmacharis, when the Swami comes, whatever respect, reverence you have it for me, 1,000 times you must have for this great saint. And when the saint came, Gurudev sat at his feet. That much of reverence. And in his Gurudev's young days, he used to visit Gangeshwarananda. And once when he went to meet Gangesh, as he's walking towards him, he's a blind saint. He said, "Oh, Chinmaya, aa gaya," he said. He said, he is blind. How did he? He asked, "How did you know that I came?" Who else has that military walk? Tap, 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 you walk. Military walk, only Chinmaya has that. Nobody else has that walk. Majestic walk, Gangeshwarananda was saying. Then he went inside and they were talking. Then Gangeshwaran said, because he wanted to remember some verse, I think. So he told Chinmaya, because Swamiji was very young. He said, Chinmaya, wo jaake, top shelf mein, teesra book. Hindi only they used to talk. Teesra book leke aana. And he brought them. Pado jo verse, pado kya Shankara kya likha hai, pado. And Swamiji took that verse and started reading that verse. As he is reading that, and then after reading that verse, and then he turned the page and started reading. As he turned the page and started reading, kya pad rahe hain, he said. Swamiji, jo likha hai wahi pad rahe hain. Nahi, double page nikala hoga. He said, I am with my eyes, I am seeing the verse, because the dirty book, all dirty hands were using it. So when I turned the page, I turned a double page. And he, from his memory, he knows the verses. I was looking at it, I could not tell. Such a memory, Medha Shakti. The reverence he had for Mahat. Even the Kanchi Parmacharya, Chandrasekharendra Saraswati, I met here, Kanchi Acharya only with Gurudev. Kanchi Acharya was, by that time, he was 90 years old. So this was in 1983. And Kanchi Acharya was in Karnool. So Gurudev wanted to see him. We all went with Gurudev. When he reached that, one Goshala was there in Karnool. He was there. And when we reached there, they told Swamiji, just now Shankaracharya went inside. Acharya went inside. And Swamiji said, don't disturb him, I'll go away. By the time somebody went and informed Kanchi Acharya, immediately one disciple came running. Swamiji, please wait. Periyar Acharya is going to come in 5 minutes. Please wait 5 minutes. And they brought a chair. Swamiji, oh yeah, I'll sit down. So he sat down. In 5 minutes, Acharya came. And we all went behind Gurudev. And I was behind Gurudev. I could see Kanchi Acharya. I saw nothing. I was an old man, like a tata, like a village old grandpapa. That's all I could see in him. But when Gurudev, I saw Gurudev was standing in front of him like this. Moment I saw Gurudev like that, my hand automatically went off. He created the reverence in our heart. That's the glory of Gurudev. So Vinaya Shila, Vinoda Priya, Vinaya Shila.
Om Vinayashilaya Namaha.